We'll guide you through how to use your phone as a Wi-Fi network adapter or dongle on your PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps your computer hasn't got a Wi-Fi adapter built in and you can't go and use Ethernet. So therefore you want to go and use your phone. We'll guide you through how this can be done. It's simple and easy. So to go and get started, we are going to need to go and connect it. So here is my phone's cable. I've plugged the other end into my computer and we'll go and plug this end into the phone. It will go and start charging and we'll go and get a pop-up on our computer. You can go and see my computer still isn't currently connected though. What you need to do is come onto the phone and swipe up like so. Come into the settings and you need to go and find the option for connections at the top. Then go down and find mobile hotspot and tethering. And you need to go and switch on USB tethering. This is super important. When you go and do that, you'll go and hear it disconnect and then reconnect. And shortly, you're going to see that symbol go and change to connected. As you can see, we're now connected. And so therefore, I can go and use the internet on my computer